It can be scary and challenging enough when things start going on with your body and you know your body, you know something's not right, to then go seek some sort of professional help or guidance and basically feel like you're not taken seriously, your concerns aren't really heard, you're told it's just anxiety or stress when maybe that's a contributing factor, but you know you've been stressed in your life before. You know that something else is going on. This can take you down a whole other world of emotions and frustration and fear and anxiety because now what? Now where do I go? Now where do I turn to? On top of whatever you're feeling just from the personal emotional experience of that, right? The anger, the resentment, the fear, maybe it is in all my head, the self-doubt, right? This brings up a lot of emotion, and we're going to use a process called tapping or EFT tapping to help bring some of that up, to help it release, to help calm down the body, mind, and nervous system a bit here. So, tapping here on the side of the hand, repeating after me. Even though I feel like I haven't been heard, I feel like I'm not getting the proper time, maybe I feel dismissed or gaslit, and all the intense emotions that brings up with it. I choose to accept myself and everything I'm feeling. Even though I have all these emotions going on. It might range from fear to anger, anxiety, loss of trust, doubting the system or doubting myself. I choose to honor myself and everything I'm going through. Even though I don't feel like my concerns are taken seriously, or I feel like I'm being pushed through a system, or I feel like I'm being dismissed, or that there isn't the help that I need. And all the range of intense feelings that brings with it. I choose to honor and accept myself, everything I'm going through, and to open to the possibility that there may be solutions. There may be hope, and there may be people out there that are right for me. Okay, now through the points. All these intense feelings. It's scary and upsetting enough. Dealing with the symptoms, dealing with the confusion. Perhaps it's difficult to explain what's going on with my body. Perhaps it feels as though I have no choice but to self-diagnose or try to figure this out because I cannot describe everything in a way that checks a box. Or maybe I'm being dismissed. Maybe all of my symptoms or issues are being attributed to something. If I'm told it's just my stress, or blaming everything on my weight, or trying to oversimplify my experience. It can feel dehumanizing. And I'm giving myself time right now to feel and process these emotions. Because the last thing my body needs is for me to store all of this anger and fear and upset. My body and nervous system can do amazing things. And I want to spend time connecting with it here. And that starts with validating my feelings and experiences. I know when something is right or wrong. I know what I am experiencing. I choose to validate it. I choose to welcome even the most uncomfortable emotions in the way and amount that feels right for me. If I felt like I wanted to scream or lash out, I can open that release valve inside me. I don't have to do it physically. At least I don't have to actually yell at that person. But I'm giving myself space here to let that energy out in the amount that feels okay right now. And any fear that I'm holding about this uncertainty, or maybe it feels like no one can help me, or no one wants to help me. I am processing those feelings, validating how intense they are for me. And I'm not denying what I have experienced. But I also want to allow myself the space to say that these past experiences do not necessarily mean that there isn't someone or something there that's good for me. I don't have to allow the story that there's no cause for hope, or that there's no one out there who cares. Yes, I experienced the dark side of this, but there could be another side. And the best thing I can do for myself right now is be that positive advocate for myself, for my own emotions and experience. Providing this space and time for myself to say, yeah, I hear you. Fear, sadness, anxiety, I hear you. I'm going to listen to you and feel into you. And I will allow myself to be open to finding what we do need. And to not give up on myself. And to not believe anything I've been told. No matter what education someone has, to tell me whether or not there's hope. I choose to reclaim that power to myself. No one gets to say what's possible for this body or spirit. Okay, take a breath. I hope that's helpful. If you've experienced anything like this and you want to comment and have any, nuances or particular emotions or things that could use, an extra round or some layers, I am happy to explore that. So I hope it helps, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care.